Small one-pot camper van cooking. Tonight it's going to be Spanish paella. What do you think of that, Melanie?
That will just be wonderful. Have we got any wine?
Yes, of course we've got some wine. Silly question. Lesson number 1, make sure you turn the gas on before it starts peeing it down outside. Jesus. It is peeing it down out there. Quick squirt of olive oil. Some chopped chicken. Tonight's ingredients are a bit of chili pepper, smoked paprika, 2 cloves of garlic, chicken stock cubes, green chili, yellow, red pepper, some chopped mushrooms and a bit of tomato passata, and then some rice and chickpeas thrown in to give it some body. When your chicken's cooked, add your chopped peppers and mushrooms. Remember to bring a can spanner, or rather a proper tin opener, when you go away in your camper van. Otherwise, you have all this in it to do. Garlic, chilli, smoked paprika, chickpeas, and a teaspoonful of chili powder all in there. Come down nicely now. A quick squirt of tomato passata. Next, add your microwavable rice. And then cook through for about 5 minutes. Last ingredient, a good slosh of white wine. And leave it for another 5 minutes. Here we go. Nice Spanish style paella. One pot cooking. Can't beat it. No washing up. Is your tea okay? Just in case you're missing the British weather, gentlemen. That's what it's like outside.